Hi, welcome to Data AgeUcation. I'm Jessica Novell, the Sales Operations Manager, and this is Richard Lutz, our Corporate Trainer. Today we're going to be talking to you about converting a loan into a buy. So Richard, how would this come up and why is it important to know on how to do in PawnMaster?
Well, a lot of times the customer is not really clear as what their intentions are. A customer might even say, I'd like to pawn this item, thinking what they really want to do is sell it to the shop.
Oh, wow.
So if the communication is not clear between the customer and the counter staff, mistakes happen.
Sure, so this sounds like it could, cut down on a lot of time necessary and switching things and makes it a lot easier on our customers, right?
Sure. So what happens is we start typing up the loan, we get all the information in the system, and then maybe during the course of the negotiations while you're doing the work, the customer changes their mind. They don't want to do a loan after all. They're like, you can have this item. Or possibly it is simply, like I said, that miscommunication, in which case now we have to go back and start over again.
Or
with PawnMaster, we simply use a maintain a tool, and I'll be showing that in just a moment.
Oh, that's great. So I heard that when you do a converting a loan into a buy that you have to add a penny every time?
Well, let's take a look at this.
All right.
So the way this works is we go to Pawn Buy, Maintain.
Great.
It's going to be the last customer that we just did the loan with or did the transaction with.
Sure.
So we pull up our last customer, select the pawn that is at the top of the screen, click Buy. Because the focus is in the increase amount field, we just need to change focus, and the easiest way to do that is clicking the Tab key.
Well, that's easy enough, huh?
Yes, and now we can hit Save. This is going to be a buy. It's going to reprint the contract. You don't have to re-enter serial numbers and re-describe every article.
Oh, perfect. So can you tell us how this would differentiate PawnMaster from other programs out there trying to do the same function?
Yes, so with any other software, you're pretty much stuck with voiding out the transaction,
Yikes.
re-describing every piece, re-entering the serial numbers, re-entering the weights and so forth of jewelry, and depending on the details, it could be several minutes.
Wow, so this is a huge help. Thanks for showing it to us today. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Data AgeUcation. Hope you got some tips and tricks, and we'll see you guys next time.